This video is going to be a basic video on how to attach a servo to an Arduino. So a servo is a little actuator. It has a motor inside, and these wires, there's three wires. There's the black one is ground, red is voltage, and white is your signal control wire. So you hook up power, ground, and then a varying signal to this white wire, and this little arm will turn depending on how much voltage you're putting on this little white wire. This is a regular standard sized servo. This one is called a micro servo. Same thing, it's just tiny. Now we have the servo on the breadboard. We'll go ahead and attach the Arduino Servo. So I have a black wire here, which is ground. I'm going to hook that to ground on my Servo. And we've got a red wire, which is our hot. I'm going to run that to 5 volts. And then our signal, white, and then to one of these PWM channels. I'm actually going to connect this to pin 9. Go ahead and plug in the USB. So I'm going to navigate to where my Arduino files are stored. So in the Arduino folder, there's going to be a folder called Libraries. And then there's one called Servo. Examples. Let's do the sweep. This sweep program is ready to go. We just need to go and verify that we're using the correct serial port and that we have the right board. And this is the one I'm using, the Servo with the Atmega 2328. So let's just go and hit the download button. Upload, sorry. If we look, our servo has started to sweep. So it'll just sweep back and forth. That's all this program is meant to do. If you happen to have a potentiometer handy, the knob program is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and do it. So what I've found is that with this cable, this dinky little cable, the servo pulls can pull down the board and make it cut in and out. So I'm going to get a thicker USB cable here. Okay, so now we have to add the potentiometer. Here I happen to have one. And there are 3 wires. We're going to take these 2 outside ones. One will be hot, 5 volts, one will be ground. Since I already have 5 volts and ground over on this board, it's pretty easy to get it over here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab ground, five volts. Then I'm going to go into analog pin 0 with the center tap on this potentiometer. And then as we turn the pot, the servo turns with us.